Hello, my name is Christian and this is my kitchen and this is my assistant Tori. Today we're making chicken potato casserole. This is a meal that can feed up to 8 people and costs roughly around $24.50. First on the ingredients is the chicken breast. We cooked this when we were in school today. It comes from Mount Royal, California. It lasts up to a couple months. Its travel is 419 miles and it costs $9.95 and it's rich in protein. Next we have the butter, which comes from New Jersey, which travels 2,415 miles. It costs $2.50 and it's rich in fat. Next is the sour cream. This is a local product and it's only 11.7 miles away. It costs $2.50, can only last 2 weeks in the fridge, and it's rich in fat. Next we have the cream of chicken. It comes from California. It's only 118 miles from here. It costs $3.58. It's rich in carbs and can last up to 1 or 2 years. Next we have the green chilies, which come from New Mexico. It travels a total of 508 miles and costs $1.50, and it's rich in vitamin A and C. Next we have the cheese, which also comes from California, but travels a distance of 718 miles. It costs $2.50 and it lasts 1 month refrigerated, and it's rich in calcium. Next we have the hash browns. It comes from Pennsylvania. It travels a total of 2,058 miles. It costs $2. It's rich in carbs and can last up to 6 to 12 months in the fridge. So roughly this meal costs per people to eat $3.06. So the first step to making this meal was to put the chicken in crock pot. It took about 8 hours. We did it when we were in school and we already shredded beforehand. The next step is to put the hash browns in the pan and put the butter into the pan, and we saute the butter down until it's liquidy, and then we're gonna put the hash browns in it after that. Okay, now that we have the butter melted, we're gonna pour a full bag of hash browns in the pot. And this process is gonna take about 5 minutes to cook by itself. When the hash browns to get golden yellow still, we're gonna start by making the cream for this meal. We put the whole thing of cream of chicken in there and the sour cream in there, and we're gonna use the water from where the chicken was boiling in the pot, in the blender as well. We're gonna put roughly around like half a cup in there to get it watery. After that, we're gonna pour in like 3 chilies in there, and then once we have all that, we're gonna blend it. After the hash browns are done cooking and we're done making the cream, we come back to the bowl of that we originally started with, and we're just gonna pour the hash browns in there. Now with this, we're gonna pour everything in here in the same pot, as well as the cream we made. After we pour all this stuff in, we're gonna mix everything by hand, and then after we're done mixing everything by hand, we're gonna put everything in these 2 pans we have here. After we mix everything, we're gonna top it off with green chili and the cheese we have. And I also forgot that we put a bag of cheese in this, so the meal comes out like cheesy. I already washed my hands beforehand, but I'm gonna wash them again to make sure that they're still clean. And right when I'm done with this, I'm gonna mix this with my hands. This is hot. This is hot.
Before you put the chicken in the oven, you're gonna need to preheat the oven to 425.
Okay, so after we mixed everything, we're gonna put it into the pan so we can put it in the oven.
All of it?
No, like half of it.
Alright, that's like half.
Then we're gonna even it out so it cooks equally everywhere. And we're gonna, after it's all evened out, we're gonna put more cheese on top.
This is bomb.
And after we put the cheese, we come to our green chilies, the one that are diced now, and we're just gonna sprinkle some on top. Before we put the thing in the oven, we're gonna put tin foil on top of it so it cooks a lot faster. And the oven just got to 425, and we're gonna put this in the oven for about roughly 30 minutes, if not more. And we'll be back in 30 minutes.